ACSI is very excited to introduce to you a preview of the new certification application. This application is built into the Learning Builder system, which means once you log into your ACSI Virtual Professional Portfolio, or VPP, you can access your ACSI certification application as well. You will log in by clicking on Learning at the top of the www.acsi.org website. Then choose View and Manage CEUs/certification. We hope this single sign-on will help streamline processes and allow a more effortless experience. We'd like to show you some of the new features of this application and demonstrate how you can now maintain both your CEUs and certification in one place. If you have not already created an ACSI account, you will want to create one by heading to www.acsi.org and then click on the Login button at the top of the page. If you've never created an ACSI account, please use this form to create one. If an ACSI member school administrator has added you to their roster and thus created an account for you, please inquire within your organization to get your login credentials, or contact ACSI Care Team for assistance via email at careteam@acsi.org or by phone at 800-367-0798. Once logged in through the View and Manage CEUs/certification button, you will find the application right on the page that comes up when you log in. You can also hover over View and Manage CEUs/certification button and see all the applications to choose from by clicking on Applications, and view current applications you're in process of completing under In Progress Applications, right at the top of the page. Each certificate will now have its own application for renewal and upgrade. Those renewal and upgrade applications will appear and start for you automatically so that you can add items to them at any time. You will find these applications listed under the Certification Applications tab. The fee for each certification application is $75. Applications can be worked on over time as you complete various requirements, since you are now able to upload your documents prior to the submission of the application. As you upload and add documentation of your requirements, you'll notice the progress bar start to slide towards green, indicating that you have met all the requirements to submit the application. Including your transcript documentation has never been easier. You will be able to choose your college or university from our database and enter the information about the school, the degree earned, and the conferred date, as well as how many hours in your applicable field you have completed. You will be able to either upload a copy of your original transcript directly into the application or indicate that the university will be sending it directly to ACSI. Mouse over any of the information bubbles to read more on what types of courses would be counted in these various areas. An ACSI evaluator will review your course totals and make any adjustments as needed. You'll appreciate a new, easier, and faster way to document your 2 years of full-time teaching experience to take the place of official student teaching. In the Student Teaching section, you can choose to complete a reference check, which allows you to input a supervisor's name and email address. This sends that supervisor an email, allowing them to verify your 2 years of full-time teaching experience with the simple click of a button. We're incredibly excited to announce that your earned CEUs from your VPP will seamlessly load right into your application without any extra effort on your part. This will be at the new one-on-one conversion rate. You can also still upload any approved outside CEU provider certificates of completion right into your application by clicking the blue Plus Add CEUs button. After receiving your ACSI certificate, and as you work on requirements for renewal upgrade, you will be able to use the application to document these items as you complete them. When it is time for you to resubmit your application, you will need to include any documentation not yet uploaded, finish completing the application, and pay the application fee. If you are switching certificates, you will need to choose the appropriate application to complete. One important item to note is that we will now have 2 separate applications for each certificate, one for renewal and one for upgrade. Under the Applications page, you will be able to view not only your renewal requirements, but also your upgrade requirement as well. You will choose whether you wish to renew or upgrade, as sometimes upgrade requirements can be less than renewal requirements, and that will dictate which application to complete. Once your certificate has been issued, you will be able to access and print it from the My Account section or the Application section of your account. Thank you for watching this short update video. If you have questions, please contact certification@acsi.org.